In this vid, I'm just going to cover geofences and areas of interest. So first of all, I'll start the input. As we can see here, now we've got some PLI coming in. So now I'm going to create a geofence. So we can create the geofence by clicking on geofence up here as one method. I'm just going to create a rectangular shape for the geofence. It's going to be there. I can select escape once I'm happy with the shape, or I can move it. Give it a name. Whether I want the trigger to be an enter and exit, enter or just an exit, whatever. How I want it triggered, whether I want it on a particular type of land equipment or an SIDC. In this case, we'll just do a friendly. What the buffer distance needs to be for the entity entering and leaving the fence. And whether we want to send that to anybody else to share or just save it locally. So we're just going to save it locally. We can see that the fence has been triggered. We can see the node that's entered, the speed, etc., and direction. We'll see these nodes as they come in. While that's occurring, we'll also set up an area of interest. So set up an area of interest, you set that up on a military symbol. So we're going to create an area of operation over here. So let's do that. So that's a control measure. Going to have a control area, and it's the area of operation. And we're going to create the area of operation over here. Here. And to here. Once we're happy and we've clicked all the 4 corners for the area, we go up and we hit finish. We can give it a name, test area. So we've now given the area of operation a name. We create it. You'll notice it hasn't been sent yet via the overlay there. We'll just remove this one for the time being so that we don't get those alerts coming in for this one whilst we're fixing the area of interest. So we're going to delete that. So we can then, by selecting the thing, the actual military symbol, you'll see this area of interest is available to us down here, or we can assign a geofence to it as well. So we're going to select an area of interest. Whether we want it interest only, alerts and interest. What priority it has, because we might have multiple areas of interest. What we're monitoring. Again, the buffer distance. Whether it applies to reports, orders, tracks, or all. So we'll say all for the purpose of the demo. So these guys are in the area of interest. You note the rest were cleared away. We can turn that noise off by going into the settings. So now we've got the noise turned off, but we can see who is in the area. We can delete the area of interest. So it's now gone. So we can have, like I said, multiple areas of interest, and that's only the area of interest is where we see the entities. As you can see, it's as the name implies, an area of interest. That's about it. Thank you.